So, in terms of nation building, yung 13 po ngayon o yung majority led by Senator Lacson, Senator Soto, Senator Win Gatchalian, of course, as the Senate President, the two Senator Tulfos, Rafi, and Erwin, I will not take it away. They want to build a nation. Don't take it away from us. Yung aming pong grupo want to build a nation. So, good faith po tayo. Meron kayong vision of a nation you want to build. Meron kaming vision nung gusto natin i-build. Pero tanong ko, anong regime? Regime of truth and justice ba? Kasi kung regime of truth and justice, let me tell you, mga kababayan, there are two groups now. Those who want to uncover the truth and those who want to cover up the truth. Dalawa lang po ha, dalawa lang po. So pwedeng one who wants to uncover, di ba? One who wants to cover up. O, ulitin ko ha, one who wants to cover up, wants to uncover. O, so dalawa lang parati yan, dalawa lang ha. Kung ano man ang ating kulay, politika, ang punto po, we have to meditate, we have to pray, we have to make a decision. Bakit po? Mali-maleta ang reward kung ikaw ay para dun sa cover-up. Pero, napakalaki ng mga consequences. Kaso, bashing, tatanggalan ka ng kung ano-ano. Basta, ipafile lang ka ng cyber libel kapag ka ikaw ay for uncovering the truth. That's just the nature of things. Whether you talk about organized crime, whether you talk about slavery, whether you talk about all the injustices in the world, those who want to keep the injustice, those who want to cover up, usually have the resources. Kasi kumita sila doon eh. Di ba? Nandoon yung kayamanan ng mundong ito eh. But those who want to uncover the truth, to reveal the truth, di ba? To show the truth. So why is this important? Because, for example, we're an agricultural country, di ba? Gusto natin hindi lang to produce our own food. We're an archipelago, pero nag-i-import tayo ng isda. Nakakakain tayo, pero magsasaka natin, hindi nakakakain. Mga anak nila ayaw na po maging magsasaka kasi walang pera sa pagiging farmer. And there are a lot of good programs, di ba? But habang ninanakaw lahat ng pera, habang mali-maleta ang pera, habang ang hindi lang naman flood control, di ba? Pati yung irrigation, ninakaw din yun. Ilan regimes ang dumaan, pati fertilizer, di ba? Tubig ang binigay nung before sa ating mga farmers. So what I'm saying there is that in any home, in any building, in any nation, foundations are important. So kapag ka ikaw ay gumawa ng isang bansa, ang pundasyon niya ay sa buhangin, gigiba yun. Gigiba po yun. Kasi hindi tama ang pundasyon. So kailangan ang pundasyon natin katotohanan.